Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and I am back with another Walgreens haul, and I'm going to be calling this my redemption haul since I had such a hard time earlier in the week. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into this quick little Walgreens haul. Now we are in the car, so if y'all hear any kind of background noise or anything like that, please just look over it. I just want to get this video out as quickly as possible to you all so that you can get in on this deal before it is gone. Now we do have a little glitch going on with the Dove body wash right now, so this is definitely a run deal. You guys will have the rest of today, which is Friday, and tomorrow to run in and grab this deal, because on Sunday we're going to have all new deals, and we will have another pretty good deal on Dove as well for next week. So you might want to hang on to a couple of those buy one get one free coupons. Now, if you all saw my Walgreens haul video from earlier this week, you already know I had a pretty rough time. In that video, I shared with you all my Walgreens pickup order, as well as how my in-store spend deal turned out. And yeah, it just didn't go over very well. So this is my redemption haul for sure. So like I said in that video, I was not going to let one bad experience deter me from getting some really great deals at Walgreens. So we have this new Dove glitch going on right now, and I know that she doesn't want any kind of credit, but girl, you know who you are. She came up with this deal, sent it to me yesterday, and then also Michelle over at It's My Own Identity, she put out a video earlier today doing the exact deal. So I'm going to have her channel linked in the pinned comment down below. Awesome Walgreens couponer. She knows Walgreens inside and out. So if you haven't checked out her channel, make sure that you go and do that. So once I saw that this deal in fact did work as planned for her, I decided I'm going to go ahead and give this a second shot. All right. So I had a spend 50, get back $10 in Walgreens Cash Digital Booster. So what I did was I ran in. We have a glitch on the Dove Women's Body Wash. If you pick up 3 of the Deep Moisture body washes, we have a 7 off 2 digital coupon, and then we also have a 2 off 1 digital coupon, and that is printing off 2 $5 register rewards. Now, we also have some buy one get one free insert coupons that came in the 10/16 save insert. So here is a quick look at what those coupons look like. So if you want to do this deal, you're going to need a total, well, you can do this deal a couple of different ways. So you're either going to need 2 or 3 of these, depending on your store and how they're going to let you do this, all right? But anyways, here's a look at the products that I picked up. I know a lot of you all were telling me in the last video to make sure that I picked up the 3 of the same exact products. Well, as you all can see, my store only had 2 of the blue capped Dove and 1 of the white, and then I didn't realize it when I was in the store, but this one does have a little bit of a different packaging on the front here, so that may have been why a couple of coupons did not attach, but either way, it still worked out just fine. So you're going to pick up a total of 3 of the Dove Deep Moisture Women's Body Wash and 3 of the Dove Men's Body Wash. That's going to put you at $42. Like I said, I had a spend 50 digital booster, so I wanted to throw in a couple of more items. That way I would hit that spend amount since it wasn't too far off. So I decided to throw in the Palmolive dish soap. These are $1.25. We have a 75% off 1 digital coupon. I threw in the Suavitel. These are $2.49. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for that. And then I threw in the Apple Jacks Kellogg's Jumbo Snacks. These are $4.49, and they are buy one get one free this week. Plus, we have Ibotta and Shopkick rebates. All right, now like I said, there's a couple of different ways that y'all can do this deal depending on how your store feels about insert coupons. Now, a friend of mine did call customer service and ask, like, what is the general limit for insert coupons at Walgreens, and she was told by a supervisor at customer service that in general there is a limit of 4 like coupons in a transaction. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. You're going to pick up 3 of the Dove Women's body wash at $7 each. 3 of the Dove men's body wash at $7 each, 1 of the Suavitel at $2.49, 1 of the Palmolive at $1.25, 2 of the Kellogg's at $4.49. Those are buy one, get one free. So that's going to put your subtotal at $50.23. The coupons that you're going to use is the 7 off 2 Dove digital coupon, the 2 off 1 Dove women's digital coupon, 3 of the Dove buy one, get one free from the 10/16 save insert, and the 1 off 1 Suavitel digital, and the 75-cent off 1 Palmolive. Now, that is going to leave you paying $18.51 plus tax out of pocket, but you're going to get back 2 $5 register rewards for the Dove Women's Deep Moisture Glitch, all right? And those are going to look like this right here, all right? So these are both store register rewards, all right? So you're going to get back a $5 register reward. I got $10 back in Walgreens cash for spending $50. I got back $1.50 on Ibotta for the Kellogg's Jumbo Snacks, and $1.48 on Shopkick for the Kellogg's Jumbo Snacks. So final price would have been free plus a $4.47 moneymaker. Now again, it just depends on how your store feels about insert coupons. If they read this insert coupon, it is going to say a limit of 2 like coupons per transaction. I'm pretty sure that's how it reads. 2 identical coupons allowed in the same shopping trip, all right? So again, that's just going to depend on how your store deals with that. But if they will only allow you to use 2, I've got you covered on that as well. Now, for my store, they would only allow me to use 2 of the buy one, get one free Dove insert coupons. So here is a look at exactly how my transaction turned out. So subtotal was $50.23. I used the 7 off 2 Dove body wash digital coupon, 2 of the buy one, get one free Dove insert coupons, the 1 off 1 Suavitel, the 75-cent off 1 Palmolive. That left me paying $27.50 out of pocket, but I did get back the 2 $5 register rewards and the $10 in Walgreens cash for that spin booster. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, got $1.50 back, and Shopkicks, where I got $1.48 back on the Kellogg's Jumbo Snacks. Now, I also received $7 in Walgreens cash for a booster for making 3 purchases of $15 or more. And I also had to call customer service because the 2 off 1 women's digital coupon did not attach, nor did the 2 off 1 Dove men's digital. That one did not attach either. Now, I want y'all to go ahead and take note of that, because if you are only allowed to use 2 of the buy one, get one free Dove insert coupons, that 2 off 1 Dove men's body wash digital coupon should attach. Now, if you're like me and you've been having issues with those 2 off 1 coupons all week long, just go ahead and call customer service and get your Walgreens cash back for those coupons not attaching. I promise y'all, customer service has heard it all week long over these Dove coupons. So you shouldn't have an issue there. So again, that made my final price completely free plus a $6.48 moneymaker. However, if you didn't have that extra booster for making 3 purchases of $15 or more, if you didn't meet that requirement and get that extra $7 in Walgreens cash back, that's okay. It still turns out to be pretty much free. You're going to pay 50 cents for all of these products as long as you have that digital spin booster for spend 50, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. Now, here's a quick look at everything that printed out for me from the Catalina machine. So again, those 2 $5 store register rewards for the Dove Glitch. I also received a 3 off 1 Lubriderm manufacturer coupon that doesn't expire until December. So that's a pretty good coupon. And then I received a 20% off of $10 or more on your regular priced items. Now, taking a quick look at my receipt here, just so that you all can see how everything worked out. There are all of the coupons that came off down there at the bottom. Subtotal was $27.50. Keep in mind, the 2 off 1 Dove women's digital coupon did not attach, nor did the 2 off 1 Dove men's digital coupon did not attach. And that was probably just because I did not have 3 of the exact same items with the same exact packaging. I don't know what is going on with Walgreens, but I really hope they fix that soon. Now, if we look really closely down here at the bottom, as y'all can see, I did receive back $17 in Walgreens cash, so $17.50 back. So again, final price completely free plus a moneymaker. I cannot complain about that, and I'm very, very happy that I didn't just get, aggravated at the whole situation earlier this week and write off Walgreens, because I definitely would have missed out on this deal. Alright guys, so there you have it for my Walgreens redemption haul. Now I do want to go ahead and give you all a heads up. We have the 30,000 subscriber giveaway going on right now, and I went over all of the details for that giveaway in this morning's video, which was the 5 off $25 scenario video for Dollar General. So I will have that video linked in the pinned comment down below, and then also make sure that y'all turn on those notifications because I also have a 5 off $25 scenario video for Family Dollar coming up next. And again, I want to give a big shout out and thank you to our awesome Craz-E couponer who shall not be named. And also make sure that y'all go and check out Michelle on her YouTube channel, which is called It's My Own Identity. And I will have that linked in the pinned comment down below as well. Now, before you all go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. While you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.